So, we filled it up, and now we're going to do computer stuff. Behind this panel is the connector, the diagnose connector. Okay, easy. It's locked down here with this thing, and with this thing in this rubber grommet. And over here we have the diagnose connector. Here I got my BMW computer. Actually, it's an interface. It can communicate with the right software, with all the bells and whistles in this machine. So, first, get the cap off. Yep. Then click it in, and then hang it over here. Let's go to the computer. This is the computer software. This is the even kijken, GS911 this one. Okay, and then the special functions, service reminder, now we have to cycle the ignition to update, service reminder. Okay. Give it a quick special functions, service reminder. Okay, 2022, yes, perfect. Engine, okay. Over here we can do all kinds of things. We can run the van. Now, activate the van. So guys, this was my video about resetting the service reminder on this BMW R1200GS water cooled. I hope you liked watching my video as much as I did making it for you. And if you do, please subscribe to my channel. I really would appreciate that. And if you have something to say, please put it in the comments below. I always love to hear from you guys. And for now, Old Mechanic out.